Hello everyone, so today I'll be discussing question number 16 of set 1 gate 2022. Consider the cross section of the beam made up of thin uniform elements having thickness T which is very less than A, as shown in the figure. The XY coordinates of the points along the center line of the cross section are given in the figure. The coordinates of the shear center of this cross section are. So we are asked about the coordinates of the shear center for this particular cross section. 4 options are given to us and it's a 1 mark question. To get more understanding on this topic, you can refer to lecture series on advanced strength of materials by Professor S.K. Mehti, Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Bombay. So before moving towards the solution of this problem, let's discuss about shear center and few points regarding the shear center of a cross section. Shear center is the point through which if the load passes, then the member is subjected to pure bending and no twisting. So this is very important, that the member will be subjected to pure bending and no twisting if the load will be applied at the shear center of the cross section. Few important points regarding shear center are: shear center always lies on the axis of symmetry if exist. Suppose there is a T section, it has one axis of symmetry. So this is the axis of symmetry for the T section. So according to this point, the shear center always lies on the axis of symmetry. Okay. If the two axes of symmetry exist, then shear center will lie on the point of intersection of the two axes. For example, consider a rectangular section. Rectangular section has two axes of symmetry. So according to this point, the shear center will lie at the point of intersection of the two axes. So here will be the shear center. Shear center can lie outside the cross-sectional area. So it's an important point, the shear center can lie even outside the cross-sectional area. Suppose we have a C section here. So the shear center for this section can lie outside the cross-sectional area. Okay. Fourth and the most important point for this question is the shear center of section consisting of two intersecting narrow rectangles always lie at the intersection of the center lines of the two rectangles. So we'll discuss this point in detail. So shear center of the section consisting of two intersecting narrow rectangles. So here we can see the two diagrams, A and B. In A diagram as well as in B diagram, there are two narrow rectangles which are intersecting at a point. So according to this fourth point, the shear center will lie at the intersecting point. So here will be the shear center. After discussing these few points, let's move towards the solution of our problem. So in our problem also, there are two narrow rectangles which are intersecting at a point. So according to the fourth point, this will be the shear center for this cross section. The coordinates of this shear center we can easily find out. The coordinate of this point are 0 and 3a. So our final answer will be option number A, x is equal to 0 and y equal to 3a.